going on, guys? It's been a while. Yeah, it's been too hot in South Georgia for me to get in the shop. Plus, took a new position at work, so that's been taking up a lot of my time. But yeah, back in the shop. I got my 96 Silverado behind me. I've already got the bed off. Today, I'm gonna be doing a flip kit on the rear. And Brian's supposed to be coming to hang out with me. And that's probably gonna be about it for the day. And maybe get into some other randomness, who knows. I got the clips to do my transport wheels. We may do some of that today. Just depends on how far we get. But yeah, time to get some more videos out for you guys, because it's been a while. And I want to drive this to the cruise in November, because me and John went a couple of weeks ago, or last weekend. Yeah, last weekend. And we rode my wife's Cadillac, and as much as I like the Cadillac, it was out of place. So we gotta get this truck rolling so we can drive it. And more on the S10 later. We're still waiting on parts. So yeah, let's do it. Like I said, I got the bed off. I've already got the shocks off, bump stops off, and this truck does have a 2-inch drop hanger, and it does have a 2-inch drop shackle. So the hangers are gonna go back to the stock ones. I cleaned up the stock ones right here. We're gonna put those back on. Unfortunately, I don't have the stock shackles. So for now, we're gonna leave those on there. So it's probably gonna squat the truck in the rear, but you know, I can change those later once I find another stock set. But yeah, let's get this project going. Oh, and by the way, I found another set of center lines in 6 lug. And I do have all the caps, the center caps. I just hadn't put them on. So I also have all new shocks to put on this thing that hadn't been done yet. So that needs to be done. They're right here, all KYBs. And I also need to do some battery cable maintenance on this thing, because it's got some kind of amplifier wire on there that we done just to get it running, and it gets corroded and it's loose and it don't want to start half the time. So that's another thing I need to address. So yeah, just waiting on Brian to get here, and we're gonna get after it. It's bright and early. All right, guys, update time. I got the factory hangers replaced, got the drop hangers off, got everything ready for the flip kit to go on, and still waiting on Brian. But yeah, here's the mini notch and all the hardware and stuff. It's just a Amazon flip kit. The U-bolts I actually got from John. They're somewhere around here. They're factory GM replacement U-bolts. So, but yeah, coming right along. Just waiting on an extra hand now. Making a mess, big mess. All right, back at it. Status report. Brian made it finally.
No.
About time.
No.
No, he's been here for a minute, but anyways, got one side, got the flip kit installed, got one side step notched, or mini notch, whatever you call it. Stock hangers back on. Brian's marking out the driver's side now, so I can cut it out and bolt in the mini notch, and then I got to put the rear shocks on, and then we'll be ready to put the bed and the wheels and tires back on. What you think?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Not low enough?
Yeah.
All right then.
Oh, that's real good.
All right, got the mini notches done, got new shocks on, flip kit's done. Yeah, fixing to back it up, get the front shocks put on it, and then we're gonna put the bed back on it and go from there. Should be ready for the cruise in.
Yep.
Once we get the air conditioner fixed, because I ain't riding all the way across with no air.
Again.
All right, guys, there she is.
Oh my God. Can you pay attention for 1 second?
All right, guys.
Pay attention.
Shut up. Anyways, there she is.
The step is back.
Lower than yours. Back in the shop today. More OBS stuff. So I actually have these 22-inch transport wheels that I want to put on there. And I ordered the Simple Clip kit from Simple C10. It comes with all the clips and the hardware. It comes with the template that you cut out. It comes with your tap handle. And it comes with the drill bit and the tap. Let's see. Can't get it to focus, but here it is. It's 10 30-seconds plug tap and a number 21 HSS drill. But anyways, so we're gonna attempt that today. And got the magic tap fluid. Watched his videos on it, so we're gonna cut that template out, get it laid on here, and get the holes marked and see about drilling the holes out and getting some clips mounted. And let's see how it goes. I think I've showed it before, but I'm gonna run the Dog Dish 73 to 87 C10 caps. That's what used to be on my dad's old work van back in the day, and I just think it'd be super cool. I got dad's old truck running some 22-inch wheels with the old caps that were on his work van. You know, just kind of bring me back to my childhood. I think it'll look awesome. Give it that shop truck look. So let me get this camera set up and let's see how it goes. Oh, and there's my smart car. Poor financial decisions were made. Yeah. Anyways. All right, so we got my wife's kitchen scissors here. And you just gotta cut this little template out here. And it's got these little tabs that you fold. So you gotta cut those out. And this is some thick paper. This is like, I don't know, cardstock or something. It's pretty thick, which is nice. All right. We got our, let's see here. Got our template. Got the little clips folded up, tabs folded up. If you need the video, he's got a little QR code on there that you can scan. And then Something like that. All right, so what he's doing is he's taking this little fold piece, and there's a curve in the wheel right here, the contour in the wheel. You just lay this on here and make sure each one of these are lined up in the contour of the wheel, just like so. And then you just mark. Using a little pink marker here. Make sure we're where we want it. Just like so. And that's it. Pretty much drill the holes and tap them out, and then bolt the clips in and do 3 more wheels. So we get the holes drilled and we'll see how it works out. You've got to get a hold of yourself. All right, so we got our holes drilled. Got our little tap on the little T-handle, and fixing to put some tapping fluid on it and tap all these holes out.
Oh, that's real good.
All right, so we got our holes tapped. And they come with these little Allen head bolts. Got this little 1/8" Allen head here.
Oh, that's real good.
Just like so. All right, we got our clips on. When I go to put them on for the final time, I'll probably put some kind of thread locker on there to keep these from backing off. I don't know if they will or not, but gonna do it anyways, just in case. But there's kind of a better look at them. But yeah, we got a cap right here. What the world is that? Take 5. Anyways, as I was saying, I don't know what the heck that was. Just like that. Probably won't ever get it off because that seemed awful tight. But good thing is it shouldn't come off going down the road. So that's a plus. Yeah, that's tight. Can't spin it. Like I said, it may not ever come off again. They're a little dinged up caps because they are original. I bought them at an antique store, but they seem to sit pretty flush on the wheel, except one little spot right here where it's dented, but I think they'll look good painted silver with the little bit of chrome trim that's on the truck and the gray interior. I just thought silver with these caps would look good. I may go back and paint the gold green to match the truck. I don't know yet. The truck used to have a gold pinstripe on it, but it's been taken off years ago, so I'll probably change this to green just to tie it all together, but I like it. I think it's gonna look good. What you guys think? All right, guys, there you go. There's the finished product. That's the look I was going for. Huge shout out to Chandler over with the Lower Class guys. He did the paint work on the wheels for me. It is a Fusion Gray GM. It's a factory GM color. I think it turned out awesome. And we cruised over to Jessup with the Lower Class guys last night, about an hour or so ride. Had a good time, and truck done great. And I am really enjoying the look of it now. Can't wait to cruise it some more and see what everybody thinks. But anyways, it's been a long time since we posted a video. I know we need to get back to it. Everything going on around here, we hadn't had time. But anyways, hopefully next time be some updates on the S10. And yeah, we out. See you guys next time.